Hello, in this video we'll discuss about binary search algorithm. We'll see how can we search any element from the given set of elements. So let's see, here we have some elements like 4, 7, 9, 11, 13, 17, 21, 23 and 27. Okay, and we can see these all elements are already sorted. So binary search algorithm only works for the sorted set of elements, otherwise we have to sort them first before using binary search algorithm. So let's say the indexes of these elements are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 8. Indexes are just positions for these elements, or we can say the counting positions. Okay, these are indexes, and here we have to find the mid element. So how can we find the mid element? The first index is 0, so we'll find out the mid element. First element index plus last element index upon 2. So the mid element will be 0 plus 8 by 2, 4. So the index 4 element 13 is the mid element now. Now we will compare our mid element with the target element that we want to search. Okay, so now mid is not equal to target. Our mid element 13 is not equal to 23. So now we will check our mid element and target element, which is better. So if our target element is better than mid element, so definitely our target element is available in this set of elements in the right side of mid element, because it is greater and array is already sorted. So we replace the position of x with 17. So x is now denoting the element 17 of the index 5, and y is same as it is. Now we'll again calculate the mid value. Now mid value will be position 5 plus position 8 divided by 2. So it will give us 6, because we have to just calculate the floor value. Okay, here it will give us 6, and the element 6 will be now the mid value. Again we will check mid element or target element. If mid element is equal to target element, then it's okay, we have found the target element. But here 21 and 23 are not same, and target element is greater than mid element, so we can say definitely 23 is at the right side of this set of elements. So we have denoted this x to the next position of mid value. Okay, now x is at position 7, index 7, and denoting the number 23. Now we'll again calculate the mid value, that is 7, and mid value of 7 and 8 positions. So it will give us 7, the floor value, and the mid variable will now store the value 23. Now we'll again check mid value is equal to target or not. So here mid value is equal to target, so we have found the target element. Here mid element is equal to target, compared with target and is same. So we have found the target element and we can say the position of our target element is at 7. So the final answer, we have found the target element 23 at position or index 7. So this is the way how binary search algorithm works for finding out any element from a given sorted elements of array. So in this video we have discussed about binary search algorithm, and in the next videos we will discuss about other sorting or searching algorithms. So if you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.